So we are back to Los Angeles, and the weather is 82 degrees in LA, so it's almost like Miami. Miami is 90 degrees. The weather in Miami is my cup of tea. I love the weather in Miami. It's hot during the daytime, it's hot during the nighttime. You can go swim in the ocean. Here you can't. But anyway, the event was so successful. I've never met so many investors, VCs, royal families, and family offices in one event. Thousands of people were there. They had incredible party at the Bentley Residential Tower, and it was just mind-blowing. That event was so elite, so exclusive, so royal, and the people were so nice. That's the most important part. The people, not just they were there to look for opportunity to invest into companies, which you guys should have come to my event. You should, because there was so much money there. But I got everybody's numbers, so don't worry. I have everybody's contact information. Regardless, it was just, the people were very nice people. They had good hearts, good souls, very friendly, very open-minded, very understanding. And I met incredible people. And if I didn't do this event, if I didn't join to help the event, I would never meet those people. I would never meet the royal from Abu Dhabi and the royal from Saudi Arabia and the royal from UK. And there was so much royals and so much elite people at this event, and I was mind blown. And I wish you guys came to my event, because I keep on announcing my event so you guys can come and meet investors for your business, for your movie, for your project. Because when you meet the investors face to face, it's a different ball game, but it's a different game, okay? It's not the same as talking to them over the phone. It's not the same as doing a Zoom meeting. You meet them in real life, you feel their energy, and you connect, and then you introduce your business to the investor. So please, again, I really talk from my heart. Come to my event. When I say come to my event, you need to come to my event, because I really do awesome events. And I'm very grateful for the opportunity to go to Miami to do this event, because I met incredible people. I even met the magazine editor for Wealth Impact magazine, which on the cover of the magazine is Stephen Ross. He's a billionaire from Miami, a good Jewish guy. And if I didn't go to this event, I wouldn't meet with this lady that's going to introduce me to Stephen Ross, another billionaire. So yeah, come to my event.